Welcome to Bitcoin Daily. Today we are talking about BitBoy. BitBoy is the king on the road, the king on the blockchain on YouTube. He have one of the biggest crypto channel. It's not always maybe the biggest. I don't know. I'm not sure if it is the biggest, but it is one of the biggest channels on YouTube. And yeah, something is going on, and people are talking about it, about his portfolio, and we will see later how much really he shows into his show, how much crypto he have. But first of all, who is this guy? I think the most of you know it. It is Ben Armstrong. He have also a LinkedIn account. Overview of BitBoy Crypto is one of the most popular channels in the crypto space on YouTube. The channel is run by an American crypto enthusiast named Ben Armstrong. Armstrong also runs a website, bitboycrypto.com, dedicated to Bitcoin updates, trading fundamentals, and general updates in the field of cryptocurrency. He's also very active on his social media accounts. For instance, BitBoy Crypto has 2.6 million followers and over 49 million likes on TikTok. BitBoy bio background. Here's an excerpt from an article published on Yahoo Finance that talks about Ben Armstrong early ventures in the cryptocurrency world. He started his journey in the world of cryptocurrency in 2012. Ben was already invested in Bitcoin when it burst into the picture in 2009, but it took him 3 years to start investing. His first venture didn't work in his favor as he lost his Bitcoin holdings in the infamous monetary Gox hack. In 2018, Ben decided to go full-time crypto and focus all of his time and energy into expanding the reach of crypto. Nice. BitBoy Crypto real name is Ben Armstrong. Okay, we already read this. This is his website, his channel on YouTube. He bring now every day some videos out, and I think behind him is also a team. He's not doing this anymore total alone. And as of the time of this writing, it has reached a subscriber count of 700,000 and has generated over 54 million views. Imagine that. So he's already successful. What he's doing here, some below are some of the most recent videos published on the BitBoy Crypto YouTube channel, but you can look it by yourself, this kind of videos. What we are interesting right now is he was revealing his portfolio. He also did write The Money Gang is also a channel. There are two other people inside, or he's a member of Money Gang. They make also talk about altcoins, Bitcoin, etc. But now we are interested in his portfolio. Here it is. So on this website, obpedia.com bitboy/bitboy-crypto/ you can find this photo. It is a screenshot. It's a screenshot of the stream at that day, and he revealed his portfolio worth at that date over 10 million. So 10 million US dollars. He had here an amount of 58 bitcoins, 1,369 Ethereum. Also strong in Cardano, over 1,022,000 Cardano. Polkadot, he also have over 15,000 Polkadot. Aave over 1,000. The Graph, he's big inside with 200,000 US dollar. For sure, he needs some liquids. Chainlink, 10,000. Eternity Chain, 3,455. And Synthetics Network Token, 8,400. So, you can argue now and say, does he earn this all, or does he get it from the founders to pump a little bit the coins to... I mean, look, human is a crowd, right? So if I see some token on the market is doing very well because of marketing, then what I am doing, I am investing also, right? So that's not always the right time to invest. When your neighbor start to talk about Bitcoin, you should not invest in Bitcoin. You know what I mean? So or the grandmother neighbor start to talk about Bitcoin, you should not invest in Bitcoin. Then it's most of the time too late. If everybody knows about Bitcoin or knows about the new token, the thing is, you have to found in the pearls. You have to found in the early time the token you think they have some future, right? That's why I make this a channel, and that's why I make Hitcoin Daily, to show you every day some new coins. And for sure there are some meme tokens, and many of them will not survive, maybe. I don't know, I don't know. I just can bring you some nice ideas from people who are behind some projects and tell you what I think about it. But today I just want to show you this little video about Ben Armstrong. People hate him, people love him. I personally cannot say anything wrong about him. He make a good content, otherwise he will not have this much followers. He has some very nice content. There are people behind this channel. It's not only him anymore. They bring up every day some news about some coins, right? All altcoins and the main big players on the blockchain market. So for me, BitBoy, he's successful. He do a good job, and I hope he stay like this in the future and bring every day some nice content up, right? So what do you think about Ben Armstrong, about BitBoy? Do you follow him? Do you like him? I personally like his content, and cannot say anything bad about him. If you like my channel, it will help me a lot. If you subscribe, leave me a like, and maybe you write something into the comments what you really think about Ben Armstrong, aka BitBoy. Until then, I say see you later, alligator, and make some nice profits. Bye.